ready with the bouteille, and I want to show you what I received from KK Music, and it's the Cecilio Student Cello. This cello is beautiful. It comes with a complete set that includes a stand, which is where I have it right now. It's a pretty regular normal size of a cello, and it's very easy to put together. And if you really want to start learning, or if you even know how to play it, it's a good cello, and I really recommend you to try it. Now, this is a cello. As you see, it's very nice. The color is so nice. This is now with the bridge. And now I'm going to show you the stand where I have it. It comes with a stand, which I really find very helpful and practical. I can put it in the corner, and I know for sure that it won't get damaged. As you see, it's a little bit high, so it's not on the floor. And overall, this is a good, nice cello. I want to show you the case. This is the case that it comes with. It protects a lot. Now this is a closer view of the cello stand, the rosin, the C strings, and now I'm going to show you where the bow is, where if you're bringing your cello somewhere, you can just save it in there. And the sound is clear. I recommend you these as a gift. You won't regret it. But that's just my point of view.